Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm giving you a shout out. Okay, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ugo Chonwadenigwe, or you can see Ugo Cynthia, whichever one. Okay, so today I'm here to talk about things that I have learned that makes people visible on social media. Like, this social media stuff is all about visibility, right? So I'm here to drop some, maybe about 4 of them that I have seen, and you also can implement it in your your social media to also gain visibility. Okay, I promise I'm not going to waste any of your time. This is going to be a very short video. So guys, as an entrepreneur, it's very vital to put yourself out there so that people will see you. Will also attract your audience, those people that you're making that video for, those people that's like your niche, right? So the best thing is to make yourself appear very attractive so that people can always come and check on you and check what you're doing. And the best thing is to optimize your profile picture. Okay, when you're starting out, your profile picture is going to be the first and possibly the only opportunity that will make people click on your link. Okay, make sure you have a flattering picture and also post a very clear video and other relevant links that will make people to always want to come back, or other links that people might check just in case maybe the first picture of you or the first video of you that they have seen is interesting. Post other links that will make it very easier for them to go to the next, maybe in your description box, if that makes sense. Okay, make sure your pictures are very flattering and attractive. The next one is to write an attractive bio. Okay, your bio is like your first interaction with the person. You have to write a very short bio that is going to be very informative, and also include other of your social links. Okay, just a nice bio, just like writing everything about you in a very nutshell. That will also attract people because nobody got the time to come and read pages of things about just make it short and simple. Okay, next one is to create a great visuals. Okay, like I said before, nobody got the time to come and start reading a long paragraph of anything you want to say, whether it's informative or not. Nobody. But if you make it to be visual, maybe something they can watch or anything, maybe act, or it's going to keep people engaging. They want to keep watching, especially if the thing is very interesting. Okay, I know everything I'm saying here makes sense. Okay, just optimize your profile picture, write a very interesting and short bio about yourself, create a great video. The last but not the least is to post regularly. Okay, post all the time. Like me, I'm still struggling with that because, like I said all the time in my video, my channel, everything I say here makes sense. Doesn't mean I do all of them, because I research about them, talk about them, and also put them in practice. Okay, so if you can post all the time, YouTube or maybe wherever you're posting your link will be pushing, maybe Instagram, they will be pushing your videos so that people can keep on watching and be learning so much. Okay, I know this video is very short, but if you are new on the internet and all of that, or maybe if you're an entrepreneur who is planning to go online, to showcase your product, these things that are listed here would help. Okay, I'm going to list them on the screen so that you will not forget them. I'll catch you all later. Please don't forget to subscribe. I don't know why I keep forgetting to say subscribe, but even if I forget, I'll always leave subscribe down below so you can say, guys, you guys shouldn't mind how I look. Like it's to 11 p.m. so I'm kind of tired, so that's why I just quickly want to make this video, because if I don't make it now, I will not have time to make it again. Catch you guys later.